What's going on, guys? John here, Steph here, Jonathan here. Gains Tribe Fitness, Fitness Tribe Gains. We are gonna hit legs today over at LA Fitness because that's where we have a membership too. So that's where we go. That's why we go here all the time. So we don't have multiple memberships. Doesn't make sense. We're gonna hit legs. We're gonna squat a lot. We're gonna
get big.
We're always getting big. Then we'll just wing it. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna hit a lot of squats, probably a sufficient amount of leg press. It's super nice out. It's like 60 degrees right now in Pittsburgh. 65 in Pittsburgh in February, what's the 18th or something like that? 19th. So it's wonderful. T-shirt weather. Top windows open. Top open, drop top, raindrops. So no raindrops, that's why the top's open. So we're gonna go hit legs and
You want to get big?
yeah, we're gonna get big. Jonathan Zagorski, look for him on YouTube also. He's gonna be making a video here too along with us, so it's gonna be kind of like a collab thing collab things. We're gonna do things in the gym.
Tings.
We're gonna get big.
Want to get big?
What are we gonna do?
Get big.
We're gonna get big.
We're gonna get big.
Right. We're gonna get big. We're gonna get huge. The pre's kicking in. We'll see you in a minute.
She's really eating at the gym. She's really eating at the gym. What are you doing? Let me get down.
Alright guys, just left the gym. Just saw Jim. If you understand what I mean.
You watched
what
the
I'm
preview,
putting out there.
like you
No,
watched it. Yeah.
We just left Jim. Jim worked out with us. Jonathan worked out with us. Jim worked out with us. Alright, done. Hit arms, legs, died on legs.
One ham.
Went ham though. Died on legs. And I didn't do full reps at the end because my leg. It hurt.
Wait. That lady just rolled her baby across the parking lot in a stroller. These people these days.
Like pushed her, didn't walk with her, just threw her out. And that's a driving lane.
There's 2 kids.
There's 2 babies in there.
Twins too.
Trying to just kill her kids. What if now they're just looking around, they're like, who saw that? I wonder if those people saw that. We almost got it on video.
People.
Alright. We hit legs first. Bunch of different exercises. If you don't know what the exercises are, we'll put them in the comments, because I actually don't remember the leg exercises that we did. Like the full, every one of them. But we hit legs hard. Then we hit arms. If you don't know the exercises there either, I'll just put everything in the comments. I'll put our full routine in the comments. I'll start doing that, because that makes more sense. And then you can just do whatever you want with it.
And then you can screenshot it or something, and then
When
you go to the gym, you can just look at it.
That's thoughts, minds, great minds think alike.
Mental.
Flowing. Alright, so that's that. Now we're going to go home, eat. You're not going to see that because we're ending the video here. But eat up, because gains. Gotta eat to make gains. Never going to make gains without eating a lot. Okay, without eating healthy. And if you're trying to get bigger, eating healthier and a lot. A lot.
A lot.
5 to 10 meals a day, a lot. Trying to get rich P on a big. Alright, but that's that. This is Stephanie. And we out. They don't know that. So this is Stephanie. You know that. Female. Female, girl.
I'm the face of Games.
Girl!
I'm the face of Games Tribe, so shut up.
Yeah, she's the face Games Tribe. Because you guys all know her. And she's Stephanie. And girl.
And female. And sister.
Yeah, they're related, by the way. We never said that. They're related. That's brother, sister.
Shocker.
Would have never figured that out.
Breaking news.
Woo! Alright. We out, yeah. Leaving the gym. Leaving you guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Remember, Jonathan Zagorski. Look him up. We will leave his link in the bio. We're on the screen. We're both. Somewhere. Maybe right there over his face during this part.
Because I'm ugly right here.
Yeah. That's him. That's what he looks like. That's what he looks like. Bad lighting. Ooh. Oh shit. Right there's alright. Yeah. Now you know. Alright. We out here. That's not a word. Alright, bye. Hey guys. Keep on gaining. I forgot to say that. Keep gaining. Say it. Keep gaining. Keep gaining and keep eating. Gains. Oh, that was...